have a mouthful of teeth. I get to chew and eat and anything I want, and it's been great. My mom had dentures. My older brother had dentures whenever by the time he was a senior in high school. And so I had never known my mom with anything but dentures, and I knew what she did, and I just didn't want to go that route. So I decided, I was taking care of my teeth, but it didn't seem to be working for over a period of time. It would be a cavity or extraction here and pull one there. And somewhere along about my 20s, I went to Baylor at the dentist school in Dallas, and had a lot of dental work done. Gold crowns, and there was the ones that were close to the front were porcelain, but every time I talked, you could see all the gold in my mouth. As the years go by, my teeth got worse. I really just thought my only option would be eventually have them pulled and get dentures. That's real hard for me to deal with. I kept fighting it, trying to keep my teeth. And then I saw the advertisements on TV about dental implants where they stayed in and you didn't take them out. So I kept putting off and kept putting off. And I had a friend, and about the time that I finally decided I need to do something about this, I knew that she had implants, and so I just asked her, how did it go? How bad was it during the surgery, and how much did it hurt? And she said, oh no, it didn't hurt. She said, let me tell you where to go. And that's when she told me to go see Dr. Bean. So I finally went to see him, and he said, oh, we can save your teeth. And I said, I've been fighting this for 40 years, going to the dentist nonstop. At one point, I was going to the dentist every 3 months. I said, no, I think I want to hear about the implants. He said, well, we can lengthen them, make them longer. I said, what? Make them longer? And I didn't know what that meant, other than just having longer teeth. And I said, okay, let's do the surgery. And I was shocked. I went in prepared for the very, very worst. And it was one of the best experiences I have ever had going to the dentist. I was asleep, except sometimes I could hear them talking. When it was over, I had my teeth in. It was like I had teeth. More teeth than I've ever had. The thing that surprised me was very little pain. In fact, almost none. And that's what my friend told me, but I didn't believe her. I just couldn't see that happening, but it did. The thing that surprised me the most is I have a smile. I didn't know I didn't have a smile, but I have one now. And my kids love it. They're all grown, and my kids love it. My grandkids love it. They'll say something about it. So yeah, it's been a pretty cool experience.